Hey, welcome to this review of the Smeg DF614APX standard dishwasher in stainless steel. It's a 60cm wide dishwasher and I'm going to show you the features. I've had it for a few days now and so far so good. It washes brilliantly, it's as quiet as a mouse, and I couldn't say anything bad about its performance at the moment because I've been using it a few days, but a wash load. So it is this lovely stainless steel. When it comes with protective film on, and I've got a thing about taking it off straight away. Anyway, all your programming, your buttons are in the door, which is quite a sturdy door that does need a yank. Inside you have 3 rows. You have the top row, which is a cutlery drawer, which can be adjusted and removed, and so it lays all your cutlery lengthwise. Apologies, this is about to go on. Then you have your middle drawer. You have little removable parts here, which are great for if you've got little cups. Won't fit mine because I've got huge cups. It just seems to knock everything off. But if you've got smaller cups, it fits like poached egg holders and stuff fantastically along the side. And then the bottom shelf, space for all your plates. Again, there's some more of these for holding cups. It's got a special rail for holding glasses, so the stem of the glass keeps your wine glasses all safe. Inside you've got your salt section, which comes with a very handy funnel, because if you're like me, you get salt all over the inside of the dishwasher when you load it up. You've then got your rinsing aid dispenser, which you just twist to fill up when it's empty and put it back on. You've got your detergent dispenser, so you can put your tablets in or powder or whatever you use. During washing, that'll pop open to release the tablet, and when you open it up you'll find it in that position without the detergent. So that's ready to go. So on the top you've got all your programs. You've got your, just let me get the, trying to remember the names of them all. But anyway, you get 10 programs in total. You get a very good instruction book which tells you everything. And I'm still learning. Right. So you have your rapid 27 minutes at 38 degrees. You have one that's specifically designed for glasses and china, so the delicate things. Your eco wash, which is for normal dishes with a bit of dried on dirt. You have your auto, which is your normal pots and pans that might have been a day old or whatever. And then you have an ultra clean, so if you've got burnt on stuff or really, really heavy residue, you can select that. You've then got your salt and rinse agent lights. So when you're running low on those, they will flash up. That's your program button, so when you switch it on, use that to flick between your programs. Sorry, I've got a bit of a cold. So here, you've then got half load selection. If you're using an all-in-one tablet, so if it's a built-in 5-in-1 or with rinse aid and salt built in, you can select that and it won't use any salt and rinse aid, which is great. Obviously, if you've got hard water, you might want to continue using the salt. You've then got QuickTime, so if you select any of those, you can then QuickTime it, and it'll cut the actual time down of the load. And your on button, and your delay. So if you click that, let me just yeah, so if you click that, you can delay your wash by however long you like. Turn it off button again just to cancel that. Nope, that didn't work. There we go. So selecting your wash. So that's saying it's going to be a 27-minute wash. So if you select the glasses, it's 1 hour and 59 minutes. Eco, 3 hours and 8. Your auto is 3 hours and 20. So if you click quick time, that'll have it ish. And so I'm going to click, because I haven't got a lot on there. I'm going to go for the auto, but I'm going to halve the time. So to tell it I've got a dish, I think you need a 3-in-1 tablet. Hold both those buttons down and the light will show up to tell you you've got a tablet in there. So if I wanted to delay it, I could do that. And as soon as I shut the door, the program will start. When it ends, the door opens itself to allow the steam to escape, which helps with the drying time, which I think is pretty awesome. So I'm going to close it. You'll be able to see how quiet it is. I actually, when I first used this, had to check on it several times to make sure it's still working because it was that quiet. You'll be more likely to hear my heating than you are the dishwasher. Anyway, extra bits, it comes with another basket for your cutlery, which I've used the top drawer anyway. As I said, the dishes have been coming out great. I have had to dry, a little extra dry in a few items, but I don't know if it's my own fault for stacking the pots in wrong, but time will tell, doesn't really matter. Still saves time on drying a full sink load. But so far, no problems with it, enjoying it. It's a beautiful, beautiful machine. So if you've got any questions about it, whether you're watching this in 6 months or a year's time, want to know more about it, drop me a message and I'll happily answer it. I'd like to thank the guys at AO.com who have given me the opportunity to review this. And thank you for watching.